Guys, I've been wanting to come here my whole life. Shout out from Chocolate World in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Chocolate World, I'm finally here. Let's see what all the hype is about. Let's go. Hello. Hi everybody, I am here at the original Hershey factory. Now, if you don't know, Google it. Hershey, Pennsylvania is where I'm at. In this town I've wanted to come to for forever. I'm so excited to be here because this is where Hershey started, and the entire town is pretty much themed after the Hershey company. And what I mean by that is you'll see light fixtures like streetlights that look like Hershey's Kisses all the way down the road. You'll see Chocolate Avenue. You'll see all the streets are named after different kinds of chocolate and different kind of themes for the Hershey company. You're going to see many different factories, the Reese's factory. You're going to see the Hershey's Kisses factory, all kinds of different ones. And this town is just beautiful. It's so clean. It's so well kept. It's just gorgeous. There's an amusement park. There's a giant amusement park, I might say. There's a spa that is the Hershey Spa. You get chocolate facials and chocolate body rubs, all kinds of things like that. Huge amphitheaters. Lots of people come through here. Even though it's a smaller town, you'll get like Lady Gaga, and you'll get all kinds of huge celebrities that come through here and perform. So they really just go all out for the city. And I love it so far. I'm excited to show you more. So let's go explore. Well, guys, that was Hershey Chocolate World here in Hershey, Pennsylvania. What a fun experience. Still so exciting. The park is still packed into the night. Roller coaster's still going. This place is designed to make every adult feel like a big kid. It's the Disneyland for chocolate lovers. So if you get a chance, if you love chocolate, if you love candy, get yourself to Hershey, Pennsylvania. And be sure to like and subscribe to this video to keep me creating more like this. All right, thank you guys.